Hello, it's me, Crazy Rebecca, Dances with Pitbulls. Hey, how y'all doing? Myself, I am having a moment. You ever had those days where you're like, okay, I gotta do this, and I think I'm gonna try this to do this, and then nothing seems to go right? Yeah, that's what's happening to me right now. But I think I have pulled it free, pulled it back from the edge. Okay, let's start at the beginning. I bought a box of Raisin Bran at Sam's Club. It was huge. Huge, I say. And I thought, well, I should do something with that cardboard. I could recycle it, but I'd rather make something. So I cut all the tabs off. I unfolded it, cut all the tabs off. This was a tab, like that. And on this side, I glued this paper. Very poorly, very poorly done, which was my first inkling that things were not going to go my way. So I gessoed with my trusty black gesso. And then I took my Arteza metallics and a brush, and I just did like that. Took the brush and just rubbed it like this. With several different colors everywhere. Then this crease was bothering me. See it? So I thought, well, because I thought I'll make some ATCs. But the crease was bothering me. So I scored another crease and I bent it, and I thought, this is a journal cover. So for about an hour, it was a journal cover. Then I didn't like it. I didn't like the edges. So it is now once again going to be ATCs. I just have to cut these. And this is the crease that I didn't like. But it's just going to have to be part of the design features. And I had my big cutting board, but it's now buried over there. My cutting straight edge, I guess, but we can use this. Okay, so these were the original edge of one of the books. Of the book, not one of the books, the book. The book that was, but then was not. So I like this, but I really don't want to use it up because this is all I have left. So I should have looked for more. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. And where are my images? They are over here. So these are some Tisha Moore images. And I wish I knew where my sentiments were. Not my Tim Holtz sentiments, but my ones I cut out of a large print book. I may have to go on the hunt for those. But look. So if I do that, and this kind of, do I want it to match, or do I just need it to go? I just need it to go. That's probably upside down. I think it is. I just have a feeling. Not that I can read it. So you know where this is going. It's going nowhere fast. I would put the sentiment there. Oh, there will be marking. There will be inking of the edges. Because look, I don't like that. Actually, I just saw. Let me see if I can do it with this. Not really. Can I write my name with this? Nope. I think I need a new one. Okay. That's how am I going to sign them? Ugh. Here we go. Okay. This will work. Why is that like that? And we need an eyeball. I thought about doing all eyeballs, but that would have meant printing off more and see, I like that. And then I can decorate. With something. How about like that? So I'm going to carry on gluing, and I'll bring you back for the next step. Okay, everybody can relax. I have found my sentiments, among other things. Oh, look, here's one I made. I used those same kind of images. 2020. Ew. Ew. I remember that year. Okay. So what I'm going to do is ink the edges. Probably do some maintenance on the gluage. Do some pen work. No, I should do a The poor bloody ferret. I don't know if I should do this or not. Okay. I slay myself. That's why I was so upset when I couldn't find them, because they got stuff like this in it. The poor bloody ferret. And also, I don't know. This is a moon, so it needs a sun. Something like that. Oh, here's a true story. Here's a true story that happened. Okay, Hurricane Beryl was this year, right? I forget where it hit, but we got a bunch of rain from it. We had like no rain for a month, and then Beryl comes through and drops 4.5 inches on us in one night. My basement flooded probably this much. Well, one of the things that got wet was my glitter gel pens. So I sat them outside on the shelf by the spiral staircase, and somebody stole them. So yeah, my house has been a target this year. I don't know. I'm gonna do some stuff, but I don't have my gel pens, and I don't have my gold yeah, magic marker or whatever that is, Sharpie. So I don't know. I'm just gonna doodle, and I'm gonna do this to everything and re-glue everything that needs re-glued. So that could take me hours and hours. We'll see. Let's hope not. Let's just see what happens. I'll be back. So this is where we're at. Excuse me, have not used the pen work yet, but I got to thinking I wanted to do something different, and I picked out 3 embossing powders. I've not opened this. I don't know where I got it. I hope it works. Okay, be smarter than your packaging. Be smarter than your packaging. Okay. Come on. I do not have high hopes for this. I might just try a regular ink. It's Princess Gold. Nope. Move this. be smarter than the heat gun. Oh yeah. Gold's a winner. So I'm going to keep working. I'm going to try a regular ink. I should probably just pitch this. I'm going to try this. Oh, it's juicy. Juicy, I say. Okay, seriously. Who needs a gold marker? I love you. I love you. Okay, I'm going to finish up and I'll be back. Okay, I'm done. Now I don't know if I'm even going to mess with this because, look. Oh, got away from me. They're a little thick, but it is what it is. I love the gold. Sincerely. Seriously. Obviously. Oh, DNA. There's the poor bloody ferret. Whew. Little different. Yeah. So anyway, make some art, people. I want you to. And let me know if you do. Come on. Look at my hands. Situation normal. Love you. Bye.